I've been pushing work all summer.
Now, still getting a lot of questions as far as the difference between the tablet forms of collagen and the powder. They're both pretty much the same. The only difference is this one is in a powdered substance and then you have the tablets. I'm not a fan of the tablets because you have to take several in one day, and I prefer to just take my powder and make it in a drink or a recipe and I'm done. So one and done. So I prefer the powder itself. And I take about 10 grams per day. If you're looking to see a big change in your skin, you may want to range between 10 to 20 grams per day. I'm getting a lot of questions about the creamers. This Vital Proteins, I just have a sample packet to show you. This is a collagen creamer. If you're trying to implement this in your diet, you're kind of mixing it into something, maybe hot water, you know, coffee, or some people tend to mix this in their tea. I do. I know it sounds pretty strange, but I do mix this in my tea, and you can actually bake with this. All right, so this is the Vital Proteins, the collagen creamer, and this is a vanilla flavor, and they have a coconut flavor. I'm not a big fan of the coconut. I will be doing a video later on this week regarding the vanilla flavor and how it tastes. Now, another question I get asked is about collagen water. Collagen water is, this has 10 grams of collagen in it. I do have a video that references this, how it tastes, and different recipes that I created with this, so go ahead in my playlist, you may check that out. But this is just more or less on the go. If you are somebody on the go and you want to drop this in and you don't want to deal with the tablets or the powder, then you're gonna go ahead and just pop this open and drink the collagen water. And Collagen Beauty, I don't have an example of that. It's different from Collagen Water. Collagen Beauty, I do have a video talking about what it is and the differences between these and the collagen peptides. And Collagen Water does have collagen in addition to hyaluronic acid, which is really good. Now the last thing is going to be, I get a lot of questions asked about the gelatin. Why do we use gelatin? Now, quickly with gelatin, this is not something that you're gonna mix in your tea or your coffee, or if you want to mix it in eggs or stuff like that. You are gonna use this if you're trying to make soups or stews, or just like a jello shot or a jello, whatever you're trying to have, a mold or fudge or brownie. So this is kind of different. You're still getting you're still receiving the collagen, but it has a different purpose. Definitely, if you're trying to make fudge, brownies, you can bake with this, and like I said, stews with this, and you can make broths with it. One thing I'm noticing also is, I haven't tried it myself, but I noticed when I was inside GNC that they did have the flavored. I usually get the unflavored because I prefer to mix it up with my smoothies and my other recipes. And when you're dealing with unflavored, it's just easier because it's not gonna alter the taste. But I did notice in GNC the other day that they did have this in various flavors as well. So if that's something that you want to give a try, you can go on in and give it a try with the flavored as far as Neil Cell. And you may find that that's good, but I prefer to go on in and just have my unflavored. That way I can mix it in with all types of different recipes. They come with a scoop inside, and it requires 1 scoop. Some different brands will require 2 scoops, so you want to make sure that you are reading the instructions on the brand that you're taking. I know a lot of Neil Cell, I know that with Neil Cell, especially this particular one, it just requires 1 scoop. But if you're working and if you're trying a Vital Proteins, I noticed that in their containers they require 2 scoops, which gives you that 20 grams of collagen. So if you decide to just have 1 scoop, then you're only gonna have that 10 gram. And like I say, I take in one day 10 grams of collagen. It is suggested that you take between 10 to 20 if you're looking to see a change in your skin or whatever you're looking to see a change in. But I take 10 grams a day, and everything seems to be working out pretty well for me. Alright guys, so I hope that this video was super and it was able to help answer some questions that I'm receiving a lot on. Continue to leave questions just below, and I promise to go ahead and respond to them. If not, I will create a future video and answer those questions in that video. Guys, remember, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been and always will be. And please share this video with a friend or 2. That's it for today. Bye-bye.